Have you ever stopped to wonder exactly how many countries exist in the world today, in 2025? Before we dive into the number, what actually defines a country? It's not just a piece of land. It's sovereignty, recognition, a government, and borders. As of 2025, there are 195 officially recognized countries in the world. 193 of those countries are members of the United Nations, the global body representing nearly every recognized nation on Earth. Then there are two observer states, Vatican City and Palestine. They participate in the UN but don't vote. Several places consider themselves countries, like Taiwan, Kosovo, and Northern Cyprus, but not all nations recognize them. For example, over 100 countries recognize Kosovo, but others don't. Taiwan is recognized by a small number of nations officially. The number of countries can change. New ones may declare independence, or existing ones might merge, collapse, or change status. The most recent country to gain full independence was South Sudan back in 2011. Did you know some entities operate like countries without full sovereignty or borders? Think of the Sovereign Military Order of Malta. It issues passports but has no territory. Russia is the largest country by land. Vatican City is the smallest. And some countries have more than one capital. Could there be a 196th country soon? It depends on politics, peace, and global recognition. New countries don't appear often, but it's always possible. So as of 2025, the world has 195 recognized countries, but that number is more complicated than it seems. Hit that subscribe button and join us for more mind-blowing geography facts, world trivia, and deep dives into the planet we all share.